I got a fenced-in backyard, so I think we're going to adopt him. Who's a good kitty cat? Yeah, I'd be picking up roadkill all the time, but he's a good kitty. Are you a good kitty cat? Yeah, I think this is the one we're going to take home today. Look what pretty kitty. The COVID baby. His dad was supposed to be fixed, but he wasn't. Not very old. I think I can train him. It'll probably take up more than half the bed, though.
More than that.
I think it'll take a whole bed up.
We wouldn't have any little cats.
No, the little cats. Yeah, they'd be hiding in the basement all the time. All right, we'll go back the car up.